This morning I chose to turn the camera on, not because everything is back to normal, but because I'm rebuilding a routine after my accident, and routine helps me to feel focused, steady, and fulfilled. I'm learning to honor progress without pushing past my capacity, and honestly, I like the progress I see. This year, my goal is visibility, my word is acceptance. And today reminded me that visibility doesn't require perfection, only presence. During prayer and meditation this morning, I felt so full. The music ministered deeply to me, especially the song More Than Able. I was reminded I can rest in God's presence and trust His strength where mine is limited. Who am I to deny what the Lord can do? He is more than able, and there is more to your story. So, wherever you find yourself today, be encouraged because your story does not end where you are. More chapters will be written. After worship and some writing, I made breakfast for my husband and myself. Nothing fancy, just nourishment, connection, and gratitude. I'm finding real satisfaction in simple moments again, and that feels like healing. Here's what this morning taught me, and hopefully it will add something to your life too. You're allowed to restart slowly. Listening to your body is productivity. Visibility begins with showing up just as you are. God meets us in ordinary mornings, not just big moments. Simple routines can anchor us when life feels uncertain. Today wasn't loud or flashy, but it was full. And fullness doesn't always look like doing more. Sometimes it looks like accepting where you are and honoring what you're able to give today.